What is up guys, I'm Gabriel.meneses, your digital marketing coach, and today we're talking about building your online business without spending too much time or money while you are at it. So make sure to like this video, subscribe, and let's get started. Welcome back to my computer, and today we're talking about building an online business. This is the ultimate blueprint. This is what I recommend to my friends, family, students, clients, or anyone who approach me and ask me, Gabe, how do I get started? So this one is for you. What's your idea? Create a list of passions, skills, and expertise. Ask yourself, what would I do if money wasn't a problem? So this is the thing that makes you happy. So make sure you create a business around that. Number 2 is test your idea with your professional network, friends, and family. Ask people, what do you think about this? You think that this is something that makes sense? So then after you approach your network, friends, and family, try to do some research around the industry and see what's going on. And then finally, write down your findings and start building a plan around that. Step number 1 is to create a 5 to 10 pages PDF teaching something valuable to your ideal customer. Let's say that you're a nutritionist and you have some meal plans in mind. So you put this down so your target audience will see it and they want to put their email so they can get it. Step number 2 is to go ahead and create your MailerLite account, which is a platform that lets you send email campaigns and create landing pages. And step number 3 is to actually create a landing page and email sequence with your lead magnet. So the next question will be how to send traffic to this lead magnet. So how do you get people from not knowing you to getting into this landing page to download this specific information? So what I recommend is YouTube. This is the second biggest search engine in the world and it's the best tool to generate traffic to your landing page. So the steps that I need you to follow is plan your first 10 searchable videos, film and post them so you have something in your channel. After that, post 3 searchable videos per week. Make sure they are how-to videos or always teaching something so people can get to know you and then they can check out your landing page when you tell them about your meal plan or whatever you want to share. And finally, titles and thumbnails are the key of YouTube, along with content. So make sure you nail this down and watch a lot of YouTube videos to understand how it works. You might be thinking, is YouTube the only way to send traffic to my landing page? And the good news is that it's not the only platform that can do this. So what I recommend is that you also do website SEO. So go ahead and create a niche website around your business. Plan your first 10 searchable blog posts, write them and then post them. And then after these blog posts, make sure you post 3 searchable blog posts per week and then optimize for SEO. I'll be posting more tutorials around this topic so you get used to it and you start implementing these strategies for your business. The next step is to complement with Instagram and TikTok. So create micro content around your videos and articles. So let's say that you took the YouTube route, so get this video and chop this video to 30 seconds and repost this on Instagram and TikTok with a call to action, and then you will have more possibilities to send people to your landing page. The same way with the articles that you're posting on your website, you can reuse them and do voiceovers and graphics and repost these articles to be able to be consumable and shareable on Instagram and TikTok. Alright guys, just a quick break here just to let you know that I do this full time. I help entrepreneurs get the ball rolling. So if you are getting started, I can help you with that. And even if you already have a process, I can help you with that also. So if you want a one-on-one coaching, make sure to go down in the description and book a 60-minute call with me. So let's continue. Let's say that you tell me, Gabriel, I don't have time to be creating content every single day to send people to my lead magnet. Is there another option? And the answer is yes, you can generate traffic with ads, but you need the budget. So first, film 5 video ads around your lead magnet and then run these ads until they're profitable. If you don't know how to run ads or anything like that, I have a free 2-hour training where you can learn how to sell products and services online using Facebook and Instagram ads. The link is down in the description. Then the final step is to offer your first paid product. So let's say that you acquire 2,000 leads from your lead magnet and you are ready to roll. So you decide the product, build a sales page with Kajabi or Shopify, offer your product to your audience via email, and then update your products as you go. Quick side note, if you want to learn more about Kajabi or how it compares to WordPress, there is a video down in the description, or you can click right here and then learn more about it. Alright guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm posting information just like this one on my Instagram account, so make sure to go there and follow me at @meneses. So like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.